Hi everyone, I am Srisha. This is your third lesson in Grade 3 Social Science. Today's chapter is Rotation and Revolution. Before we start our today's topic, shall I recall your new words? New moon, N-E-W new, M-O-O-N moon, new moon, N-E-W new, M-O-O-N moon, new moon. N-E-W new, M-O-O-N moon, new moon. Crescent moon, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent, M-O-O-N moon, crescent moon. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent, M-O-O-N moon, crescent moon. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent, moon, M-O-O-N moon, crescent moon. Half moon, H-A-L-F, half, M-O-O-N moon, half moon. H-A-L-F, half, M-O-O-N moon, half moon. H-A-L-F, half, M-O-O-N moon, half moon. Gibbous moon, G-I-B-B-O-U-S, gibbous, M-O-O-N moon, gibbous moon. G-I-B-B-O-U-S, gibbous, M-O-O-N moon, gibbous moon. Gibbous, gibbous, M-O-O-N moon, gibbous moon. Full moon, F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N moon, full moon. F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N moon, full moon. F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N moon, full moon. Now we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your previous class? Shall I tell you? Revolution. Am I correct, children? Revolution. The planets also move around the sun in an elliptical orbit. This movement of a planet around the sun is called a revolution. Thus, we can say that each planet rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun at the same time. The movement of a planet in an elliptical orbit around the sun is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. In a calendar, we see only 365 days. Every fourth year, the extra 6 hours of each year are added up to make 24 hours or one day. So, every fourth year has one extra day. This day is shown in the calendar in the month of February. This year is called as a leap year. It has 366 days in all and the month of February has 29 days. From one birthday to another, you complete one revolution around the sun. Now we are going to see our today's topic is Moon and phases of Moon. Moon. Moons also known as natural satellites. There are more than 200 moons in our solar system. After the sun, it is the brightest object in the sky. The large round object that circles the earth and that shines at night by reflecting light from the sun. A large round object like the moon that circles around the planet other than the earth. The moon, which is a natural object that rotates around the planets, to us it looks like a smooth, round ball, but the surface of the moon is bumpy. Bumpy means it's not like smooth. On that surface, there are mountains, valleys, and big holes called craters. Next, phases of moon. The phases of the moon are the different ways the moon looks from Earth over about a month. As the moon orbits around the Earth, the half of the moon that faces the sun will be lit up. The different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from Earth are known as phases of the moon. Moon. We have learnt about the movements of the Earth. But do you know the moon also rotates on its axis and revolves around the Earth? The shape of the moon as seen from the Earth changes because of this rotation and revolution. The moon takes only 28 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. We see the moon shining in the sky at night. But it is not the moon's light that we see. The moon only reflects the light that it receives from the sun. On some nights, we can see the bright full moon in the sky, while on other nights, the crescent moon can be seen. Yet there are nights when you cannot see the moon at all. Those are new moon nights. Next, phases of moon. The moon, as seen from the Earth, appears to change its shape every night. The full moon, which is round in shape, seems to reduce in size till it disappears. It appears again and seems to grow in size gradually. These different shapes of the moon as seen from the Earth are called phases of the moon. When the side of the moon facing us gets no sunlight at all, we cannot see the moon. We call this is a new moon. As the moon seems to move and grow in size, it first appears to take the shape of a crescent and then it is seen as half moon. When 3/4 of the moon is seen, it is called a gibbous moon. The moon seems to further grow in size till the whole moon can be seen again. This is called full moon. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Those who have concept book and workbook, complete in it. Others, use your notebook. Refer your concept book in the page number of 39 and 40 and refer your workbook in the page number of 28 to 32 and answer the following questions. Shall I tell you your questions? Your first question is, write whether the following statements are true or false. Your first question is, it takes 28 days for the moon to complete one revolution around the Earth. Dash. It takes 28 days for the moon to complete one revolution around the Earth. Dash. Your second question is, the moon always looks round when seen from the Earth. Dash. The moon always looks round when seen from the Earth. Dash. Your third question is, the shape of dash changes as seen from the Earth. The shape of dash changes as seen from the Earth. Your options are A. Sun, B. Planets, C. Moon. Your options are A. Sun, B. Planets, C. Moon. Your fourth question is, dash only reflects the light that it receives from the sun. Dash only reflects the light that it receives from the sun. Your options are A. Moon, B. Earth, C. Satellite. Your options are A. Moon, B. Earth, C. Satellite. Your fifth question is, dash is the spinning movement of the Earth on its axis. Dash is the spinning moment of the earth on its axis. Your options are A. Revolution, B. Rotation, C. Orbit. Your options are A. Revolution, B. Rotation, C. Orbit. Today we are going to do an activity with your family members. Refer your concept book in the page number of 41 and answer the following questions. Do and document. Get into groups of 5. Each of you will choose any one of the faces of the moon. Each group will cut white and black chart paper according to the face of the moon chosen by them. Now prepare the various faces of the moon by using these cutouts of the various shapes. For example, to show half moon, put the white off with the black off. Speak one line on the respective face of moon while displaying it in the class. Answer the following questions. Your first question is, which phase of moon did you choose? Which phase of moon did you choose? Your second question is, explain the phase of moon chosen by you. Explain the phase of moon chosen by you. Your third question is, what did you understand from this activity? What did you understand from this activity? I hope that you are going to enjoy this activity with your family members. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.